Hey guys, today I wanted to do a quick review of the Boyalink 2 versus the Rode Wireless Go 2. Both of these are wireless lavalier microphones. The Boyalink is about 1/3 or 1/2 of the price of the Rode Wireless Go 2. So if these sound equal or better than the Rode, then these are a much better option. Now, this is what they come in, a nice little carrying case, and similar to like AirPods, you can charge the case itself and it's going to basically charge the components even when none of them are plugged in. Just the case is going to charge the transceiver and the receiver that's plugged into my phone right now. Here's what it looks like. So each mic has a little cotton ball on it. It does come with two transceivers, a receiver that is USB-C, and you can convert it to the old Apple jack if you don't have a USB-C phone. So that's what this sounds like. Let's take a look at the Rode and I'll let you guys compare the difference. Okay, so now I'm using the Rode Wireless Go 2. I have the receiver hooked up to my phone via just a USB-C cable. That is one of the benefits of the Boyalink, is that you don't have to have a cable hanging off your phone. That little receiver just plugs directly into your phone. Now, I did mention that I'm using an actual Rode brand lavalier mic that is plugging into the Rode Wireless Go 2. So we will do a sound test just on the base Rode unit to see how that sounds as well. But let's talk about price real quick while we're testing this microphone. The Boyalink is only $100, the Boyalink 2, I should say. And I'll have links to all these down below. If you're interested in checking some of them out, definitely do. So the Boyalink 2 is only $100, whereas the Rode Wireless Go 2 for only one receiver is basically double that. It's $188 currently. So this mic better sound twice as good, or the Boyalink is actually the better option here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this lavalier mic off and just clip the Rode transceiver to my chest, and let's see how that sounds. Okay, last test here. I'm using just the Rode Wireless Go 2, the actual receiver itself or transceiver itself. I'm not using any lavalier mic attached to it, so this is a better direct comparison between the Rode and the Boyalink 2. Now, one thing I don't like about the Rode is it's a bigger unit, and you can see it's kind of pulling down my shirt, which is kind of annoying, and which is actually why I ended up purchasing this extra lavalier mic. This is an extra like $100 though, so certainly if the Boyalink sounds better than this plus this combined, it's like 3 times better deal. So that's one thing that you need to keep in mind. I will include links for this down below as well. So that basically concludes this sound test, guys. Let me know which one you guys think sounds the best, and check it out.